When the current becomes suddenly maximum, then there is no role of inductor. So the circuit will become only pure capacitive circuits. Then when the suddenly current becomes zero, by that time also there is no role of inductor. So by the time the charge on the capacitor becomes zero. So now we are not talking about suddenly increases or suddenly decreases. Slowly it is happening. So initial case, this is the case. Be very careful. Maximum charge on the capacitor plates, they are open circuit. Now as soon as you connect them, T becomes 0, I also becomes 0. So after certain time, charge is started discharging. So discharge of charge will takes place. So charge always flows from where to where? High potential to. Please respond. Charge always flows from high potential to. Nobody. High potential to where the charge will go, Ra? It will flows from where to where? Am I audible? Charge flows from where to where, guys? High potential to low potential. So now what is happening? The charge is discharging. So it will become Q. Q naught becomes Q, decreasing. Charge is flowing. So charge is discharging. Charge is discharging. Then current is keep on increases. So if the current is increasing in the circuit, our inductance will oppose the increasing. So the self-inductance will act opposite. That is what? Back. Okay, back inductance will take place. That is what the induced current is I naught, I dash. Okay, now after a long time, the slowly the current is, charge is discharging, current is increases. So after a long time, at a particular point, current will becomes what? After a long time, current will becomes what? Everybody? Maximum. So after a long time, then by that time, what will happen? Current becomes what? Everybody? Maximum. So once the current will becomes maximum, what is the charge on the capacitors? 0. Do you understanding? No. So maximum it is. So it will become maximum means what? I or I naught? After a long time. I naught. So current attains maximum. I naught. So inductance, capacitance. This is what will happen after a long time. So current reaches in the circuit will become maximum and it will become I naught. So the charge becomes 0. Now what will happen? Once the current become maximum, then same way it will start decreasing also. Yes or no, guys? Reverse. Reverse will take place. Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Then what will happen? I naught, it reaches to maximum. Then by that time, what is happening? Which plate of the capacitor is positive? Left side or right side? Now this is positive and this is what, everybody? Negative. Are you understanding?
Right.
Because entire positive charge came this side. Correct, Ara? All of you understand? Yes? That is what. So after certain
Yes,
time,
sir.
what is happening? This side positive charge and this side negative charge. Now again, the current is, charge is discharging. So I current is passing. Now maximum falls. Maximum to again current is falling. So current is falling. So by the time, see, current is falling. I is falling. So current is falling means our inductor will support that, will support it or opposite. Everybody. He will support it. So this side positive and this side negative when the current is falling. So when the current is falling means then definitely somebody is increasing. Current is decreasing means then what is increasing? Charge is increasing. So after a certain time, okay, after again long time, then what will happen? Again, the current will becomes what? Again, the current will becomes what? 0. Understanding? Decreasing. So finally current becomes 0. So by that time, here become maximum charge. You can see minus Q naught and this will become plus Q naught and the inductance. Now you all understanding how the process will take place, oscillation. Everybody clear? So all of you understand, Ra? Nobody not respond.
Sir.
Now clear? So now totally plates become 0. Have you checked it? Capacitor plates before plus Q naught minus Q naught. Plus Q naught minus Q naught. Now what will happen? You see that. Minus Q naught plus Q naught. Have you observed, everyone? Yes, please. So current will becomes what? 0 to maximum and again from maximum to what? 0. Do you understand, Ra? Please respond. Oscillation, one complete oscillation. Do you remember, Pradosh, Rudresh? That is what I am asking you.
Yes,
Understand, right? So it will become from where to where? 0 to maximum and again from maximum to 0. So that is what is one oscillation we says. So that is what LC oscillation will takes place. So that now minus Q naught plus Q naught are the charges and where the current becomes 0. Now what will happen everybody? Again current becomes 0. Then again what will happen? Circuit will start. Yes, please. Again oscillating. Yes or no? Now this side positive charge
Yes, sir.
and this side negative charge. So now current will flow in the same direction or opposite direction? Always from high potential to low potential. Opposite direction. Again oscillation takes place. Hey, do you all understand everybody? So now current will discharging in which direction? Everybody. Now I naught. So now current will discharging from this is. So now plus Q naught. So charge is discharging. Charge is discharging means it will become what? Plus Q naught or plus Q? Everybody. Charge is discharging. Plus Q or plus Q naught? Discharge is started already. Current is flowing. Plus Q. So now this is what inductance will be. Now again current is increasing or decreasing in a circuit. I is growing. I is growing. Charge is decreasing. So means inductor will oppose or supports. Oppose. Oppose means what? See that. Now the direction of current is reverse. So now opposing. This is positive and this is negative. Will you all agree with me? I want answer from you people. Is it okay, guys? So induced current, self-inductance, back inductance will oppose it. Okay, wa? Yes, please. Nobody answers. Perfect clear? So now what will happen, everybody? Now slowly, after certain time, after a long time, current will reach us to what? After long time, current will reach us to what? Nobody answers.
Maximum.
To what? Maximum. So current will reach us to maximum. Okay. So I becomes what? Everybody. I naught. So current becomes maximum. Means what is the charge on the plates? What is the charge on the capacitor? Current becomes max 0. Now again what will happen? After it becomes maximum. Again what will happen? After certain time. Again what will happen? Current will start. Once it will reaches to max, what will happen, guys? Reverse. Current will start. Nobody answers. Decreasing. So that slowly what will happen? This side positive charge will generate and this side what charge? Reverse flow correct now. So negative charge. Now do you all understanding everybody what I'm saying? So now again current falls I and capacitance and L. Now see that. Now the current is decreasing. So now current is decreases. So that charge is increasing. So charge is increasing means now our capacitor, sorry, our inductor will support or will oppose. Everybody. Our capacitor, inductor will support or oppose. Everybody. Supports. Yes or no? Fall in current. So it will support. Supports means this side positive and this side negative. Hey, understand, Mr. Narayan? Pradosh? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So negative, positive, negative. The induced current is I dash. Now after certain time, what will happen, everybody? Again, current becomes what? Current is decreasing. Finally, current becomes what? Yes, please. 0. So by the time charge becomes maximum on the plates. Is it right or wrong? You all agree with me? After a long time. Yes, guys? Where I becomes again 0. So I becomes 0. This side positive charge and this side negative charge. Have you checked it? This circuit and our first initial circuit, both are same or not? Verify everybody. Yes or no? All of you check it. This circuit and our final circuit, both are same or not? Check it everybody. Correct or not? Yes, guys? Nobody answers.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is only call it as LC oscillation. So finally what happened? Our first circuit and last circuit, have you checked it now? Everybody verify. First circuit and last circuit both are same or not? All of you. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So that is what it is. So now from this only we are going to make it. So the energy of capacitance is formula is Q square by 2C. Same way the inductive capacitance energy is 1 by 2 Li square. So this formula derivations also will discuss it. And this energies also you remember that. Now once again I'm saying evening we are going to study now about this one. So what is happening? Initially current is 0. So then current is slowly increasing so that inductor will oppose or supports everybody. Inductor will oppose. So current is increasing means charge is decreasing or not? Charge is decreasing or increasing? Current is increasing. Current is increasing means charge is what is happening? Decreasing. Discharge of charge is taking place from high potential to everybody. Charge discharge will take place from where to where? High potential to low potential. So after certain time, the current is increasing, charge is discharging, so that inductor will oppose the change. So then after long time, what will happen? Complete discharge of charge will take place. Means charge will become zero on the capacitor plates. So by the time current reaches to what? Maximum or minimum? Everybody.
Maximum.
So by the time, no role of inductor. Now again current reaches to maximum, then it will decreases. Suddenly it won't be takes place. Am I right or wrong? Decreasing or increasing, it will take time. You understanding? We already studied this one. Sudden change it won't be. So now decreasing. Decreasing from where to where? Maximum to again minimum. So now again current will fall down. So current will fall down means what is increasing? Current will decreases. Current decreases means what is going to happen? Charge is going to, understanding, increases. Now zero charge become plus q and minus q, reverse. So after a long time, more time, then current completely becomes zero, so that the capacitor plates maximum charge they have, but they are opposite. Have you checked it, everybody? Please respond. Now plus q charge plate become minus q naught and minus q naught become plus q naught. Yes or no, guys? All of you? Half oscillation. Now
Yes, sir.
reverse process again. Now again charge. Again what will happen? Charge will keep on discharging. So again current will start increasing. So again now our inductor will oppose it, oppose the change. Now high potential, positive to negative, positive to negative. Current is flowing reverse direction now. Reverse direction, positive to negative, positive to negative. Then what will happen? After certain time again, current reaches maximum. So the charge on plates will becomes what? Charge on plates becomes what? When the current become maximum, guys, charge on plates becomes what?
Zero.
Zero. Okay. So no role of inductor. Then again, once the current reaches maximum, again it will start falling down. So what will happen? The current will start falling down, so that the inductor will supports, because it is falling down. So it will try to support it. So try to increasing the current. So addition it is. So positive, negative. So direction is very important. So what is happening? The Q is start rising on the plates. So after certain time, what is happening? The I becomes zero. So the charge on the plates becomes maximum. You can check it. So that is what. So finally we attain the same initial equation and final initial circuit and final circuit, you can see same only. So this is what we used to call it as LC oscillations. So very, it is reality, it is not existed. But in ideal case, we are imagining this LC circuits, and energy in capacitor is Q square by 2C, and energy in inductor is half L I square. So the derivations and as well as how this energy will changes and all we'll discuss in the evening class. Hope you all understand, everybody. What is LC oscillations? Please respond, guys. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Narayan,
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Yeah. So this is what is about it. Mr. Murali, study please. Kadri, understand Kadri? Princy, Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sure.
So this is what? Mr. Monis, understand Monis? What is LC? So increasing, charge is decreasing, discharge of takes place. Charge discharge will take place from where to where always? From high potential to low potential. Okay. So that is what. So once the current becomes maximum, charge on plates becomes zero. Once the current becomes zero, charge on plates become maximum. That is what you have to remember. So once again, we'll go with the energy equations and how the energy increases, everything. So please remember, I increasing, I is growing, Q is decreases, then inductor will supports the change. If I is decreasing, like opposes, I is decreasing, Q is growing, inductor will supports. I is increasing, Q is decreasing, inductor will oppose the change. Please remember, current increases, induced current will oppose it. Current decreases, inductive current, induced current is try to support it. That is what you have to remember. Because always inductor will act opposite. If the current increasing, it will try to oppose the increasing. If the current is decreasing, it will try to oppose the decreasing. Always it will act opposite to that. Okay. So that is what is called it as inductance. So LC oscillations. We'll continue the derivations and as well as energy changes in the each circuit in the evening class. So with this, I'll stop. So please, all of you, focus. I know afternoon only parents teachers meeting. You can sit and study. So very bad performance, many people, I don't know why. So please sit and work. That is what I say. You are writing the toughest exams in 12th. Remember, this is the final board exams which you are writing, going to write very tough. After that, wherever you go, it is like what we say, no common in Indian entrance. It will be like everywhere university exams only will write. So this is the last year where you will write a common exam throughout the India. So it will be very tough. It's not easy. So please put efforts and work. Okay. So thank you. We'll meet evening.